Hey there, Prayer Plant Girl here. Just your yearly quick reminder that it's getting to be that time that you need to blow out your sprinkler lines and hoses if you live in a climate like myself. I'm in Saskatchewan, Canada. It freezes hard here, so if you're gonna get frozen ground, you need to start thinking about getting those things blown out so the water doesn't freeze in the lines, expand, and break them on you. It only takes an air compressor, it doesn't even have to be a large one, and a few fittings, and you can easily be blowing out your lines yourself. And don't forget to either take your hoses in somewhere where they won't freeze or blow them out. That's what I do. I have more detailed information on how to do this in another video. I'll link for you. Could be very helpful if you've never done this for yourself before. It'll help you walk through all the steps needed from right inside the house to outside the house to get those underground sprinkler lines and hoses cleaned out for the winter. And while you're out there working on it, something else to think about is getting your rain barrels drained and flipped over for the winter. I usually wait about another 3 to 5 weeks to do that, but before they're going to be freezing solid, I make sure to get them completely drained out, and I just flip them over so no water can get in them over the winter, and I just disconnect all the hoses I have on the outside. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.